Welcome back to another flavour packed Eats, Cleats and Jeets recipe. Today we're going to make a super simple butternut squash aubergine tray bake with roasted carrots, onion and tomatoes. Going to chuck some chickpeas in there as well. We're going to pair that with our own harissa paste and then finally topped off with a tahini and Greek yogurt sauce, mopped up with some lovely crispy flatbreads. This is a great low-calorie meal to whip up quickly with a solid amount of carbs from the squash and chickpeas. The aubergine provides excellent fibre and antioxidants. And carrots have vitamin C and obviously help you see in the dark. To begin, chop your vegetables into bite-sized pieces, place into a tray, add some olive oil and preheat your oven to 200 degrees C. For the harissa, I roasted some peppers for about 25 minutes until the skin is easily peelable. Add the flesh to the blender with some dried chilies that have been rehydrated. Chuck in a few cloves of garlic. Now toast your spices until they darken. I have a mixture of cumin, smoked paprika, coriander seeds, oregano and some chili powder. Toasting helps bring out the oils and boost the flavours in the spices. Add a dash of olive oil, tomato puree and some lemon juice into the blender and puree. Stir the harissa through the vegetables and place into the oven for 25 minutes. Add your chickpeas and tomatoes, a bit more of the harissa paste and back into the oven for 20 minutes until everything becomes nice and jammy. Once that's done, you should have a lovely fragrant aroma in your kitchen. The vegetables should be soft and sticky and charred edges around the sides will give a slight crispy texture. Add 2 tablespoons of tahini to your Greek yogurt, some lemon zest and juice, garlic, olive oil, mix until smooth and creamy. To plate, spoon your harissa mix into a bowl, drizzle over the sauce, add some parsley or whatever herbs you have to hand, and toast your flatbreads until crisp and chewy. This is a super simple recipe that you can make using jarred harissa, but as always, it's worth the effort of making it yourself. Perfect if you're meal prepping or want something on the table quickly during the week. Let me know if you make this one in the comments, and see you next time.